What's going on, y'all? Sean the Math Swap Tutoring here with another SAT type math problem for you. Before we get into it, make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any future problems, and also make sure you pause this video and give it a shot before you look at this solution. Okay, now let's read the problem and then we're going to break it down. All right, Jesse is training for track and has a goal to do an average of at least 1,500 body weight squats a week for the 8 weeks leading up to track season. He has performed the following. And so we see here how many squats he's done for weeks 1 through 8. You notice week 7 and 8, we don't know the exact number. We just have variables there. What should X plus Y be to ensure that Jesse reaches his goal? Now, let's underline a few key things, key words here, okay? Or a couple. Okay, so he's training for track. He has a goal to do an average, that's a key word, of at least. That's key as well. Average, we know that whenever you average something, that means you total up and then you divide by the number of things that you added together. At least in mathematical terms means like greater than or equal to. Okay, so in other words, we're dealing with an inequality here. We want it to be at least 1,500 body weight squats a week for the 8 weeks leading up to track season. So that means when we add all the squats up and we divide by 8, it should be at least 1,500. So let's go ahead and write that out. You got 1,025 plus 990 plus 1,500. You got exactly 1,500 that week plus 1,705 plus 1,760 plus 850 plus X plus Y divided by 8. And again, we know it's at least because that means that's the lowest it can be, but it can be um, greater than that. Okay. So that means this is going to be greater than or at least equal to 1,500. Okay. Let me get my TI 83 calculator. All right. So let's go ahead and total some things up here. So you got 1,025 plus 990, 1,500, 1,705, 1,760 plus 850. Okay, so you got 7830 plus X plus Y divided by 8 is going to be greater than or equal to 1,500. Okay, so now we're going to do some cross multiplication. So that becomes 7830 plus X plus Y. It's going to be greater than or equal to, because that 8 times 1,500 is 12,000. Okay. Subtract 7830. Subtract 7830. Okay, now let's bring that over here. So X plus Y. Notice that is what we're looking for. Is going to be greater than or equal to 1,200 minus 7830, which is 4,107. Uh-oh. I'm thinking faster than I'm thinking and writing differently. 4,170 body weight squats. Okay, now notice it's not important to know exactly what X is or to know exactly what Y is. We're just trying to find out what they have to total. Jesse could divide those evenly. He could do some of them, he could do more in week 7 and then less in week 8. He can do it however he wants to, but it needs to total up 4,170 squats at least for him to reach his goal. Let me know if you got that. Let me know what your thoughts are about this one. Make sure that you share it with a friend. Of course, make sure you like the video too and have a good one. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.